Full adder is a combinational circuit that performs arithmetic sum of the three input bits. It consists of three inputs and two outputs, sum and carry. The two significant bits are represented as A and B, and the third input Cin presents the carry from the previous lower significant position. So this is a full adder with three inputs A, B, Cin with the two outputs sum and carry. So here I will write the truth table for the full adder, okay, and then we will write the boolean expressions for the full adder, okay. Truth table with the inputs A, B, Cin, the outputs sum and carry. So here three inputs, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. So 8 combinations are there. 3 inputs. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 combinations. Sum, full adder gives the arithmetic sum of the 3 bits. 0 or 0 or 0 is sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 or 0 or 1 is sum is 1, carry is 0. Next 0 or 1 or 0 is sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 or 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. So 1 or 0 is sum is 1, carry is 0. Next 1 or 0 or 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 or 1 or 0. So here sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 or 1, it is 1 and 1. Okay. So this is the truth table. Truth table defines the functionality of the full adder. What is full adder? It gives us the arithmetic sum of the three inputs. Okay. A, B, C are the inputs. Sum and carry as the two outputs. Okay. So now let us write the boolean expression for sum. Sum is equal to, check where it is 1 first. See here, this is a 1, no? This is 1. So this is 1. So that particular row you have to check. What will be the expression? So how to write this boolean expression for the sum? This is 1, okay. So that particular corresponding row we have to check. 0, 0, 1, okay. 0 means A bar, 0 means B bar, 1 means Cin. So what will be the expression for this? A bar, B bar, Cin. The product term will be A bar, B bar, Cin plus, check next where it is 1. So here in the third row it is 1. So A is 0, B is 1, Cin is 0. A bar, B, Cin bar. A bar, B, Cin bar plus. Next check where it is 1. Here, this particular row. A is 1, B is 0, Cin is 0. A, B, C, B bar, Cin bar. So it is A, B bar, Cin bar plus. Next check where it is 1 in the last row. So it is A, B, Cin. A, B, Cin. Okay. So next I'll reduce the expression. I'll take common Cin in the first and last term. A bar, B bar I will get plus AB I will get. plus in the second and third product term I will take C in bar common. So I'll get A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. So this is equal to C in this expression. A bar B bar plus AB represents XNOR gate. XNOR gate. So it is nothing but complement of XOR gate plus C in bar. A bar B plus A B bar is a 2 input XOR gate. So A XOR B. So let me consider now. Let A is equal to C in and let B is equal to A XOR B. So if I consider this as A and this as B, what will I rewrite this? A B bar plus A bar B, isn't it? So what is this? This is a simple XOR gate, A XOR B. So some expression can be rewritten as A XOR B XOR C in. This is the sum expression. Next, let me check out the carry expression. How to write carry expression? This is 0, leave it, 0, leave it, 0, leave it. Here it is 1. Which row it is 1 here? 0, 1, 1. A 0, B is 1, C in is 1, A bar, B, C in. So I'll write it A bar, B, C in plus. Next where it is 1, this row. Here it is 1, no? Check it out. A is 1, B is 0, C in is 1. A, B bar, C in. A, B bar, C in plus 1 it is here, so it is A, B, C in bar. A, B, C in bar plus last row it is 1, so A, B, C in. A, B, C in. Okay, so this should be reduced. Okay, after using the laws and axioms, we will get the reduced expression as AB plus AC in plus BC in. This is the expression for carry. Okay. Now for this we need to draw the logic network. So what is sum is equal to? Sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C in. I will write it. Okay. So sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C. Okay. C in. Third input is C in. So I'll write it here XOR A, B as a input. Next, this is the sum. Okay, the output of this. 1 minute. The output of this and then the third input C in. So this is the logic network for sum. Next carry, that is C out is equal to, or we can also write carry equal to, this was a reduced expression, I'll rewrite here AB plus BC in plus AC in. Okay, so this are nothing but AND here, ANDing here. So AB, I'll just take it from here, AB next BC, so I'll take it from B here, see here, and AC. A I took from here, C I took from here. So these are the 3 input AND gates. AB I got here AB, I got here BC in, and here I got AC in. All the product terms I will take it and then put it to a OR gate. So this is the carry. So this is how we need to draw the logic network for the sum and carry expression.